Imagine a sudden, involuntary expulsion of air from your lungs, accompanied by a loud and startling noise. That's the humble sneeze, a reflex so familiar yet fascinatingly complex. But did you know that this seemingly mundane act holds a hidden secret? Every time you sneeze, a remarkable sequence of events unfolds within your body. It begins with an irritation in your nasal passages, whether from dust, pollen, or even a stray hair. This irritation triggers a message to your brain, specifically the brainstem, which houses the sneeze center. Upon receiving this message, your brain sends out a command to your muscles, causing a deep inhalation. As your lungs fill with air, a suspenseful pause ensues. Then, with explosive force, your diaphragm and abdominal muscles contract, expelling the air through your nose and mouth. The average sneeze can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, sending a fine mist of droplets into the air. These droplets carry with them not only moisture, but also potential pathogens, a fact that has made sneezing a subject of intense scrutiny during respiratory outbreaks. However, the remarkable sneeze reflex serves a vital purpose. It's your body's way of forcefully removing irritants from your respiratory tract. By expelling these foreign particles, sneezing helps to protect your lungs and maintain respiratory health. Despite its ubiquity, the sneeze reflex remains an intriguing enigma. Scientists continue to unravel its intricate mechanisms, seeking to better understand the role it plays in human health. So, the next time you let out a resounding sneeze, take a moment to appreciate the extraordinary symphony of nerves, muscles, and reflexes that has evolved to protect you from the tiniest of irritants.